Hey beautiful people, thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is Sasha Ye, and as you can see from the title and all this hand motion, today I will be showing you how to do a set of press-on nails from the comfort of your home. I will have you looking hot. You will be the hottest thing in the kitchen, well, the second hottest thing in the kitchen. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload a video, and let's get this conversation popping. Have you ever worn press-on nails? Have you been to the nail salon since quarantine? Have you?
So you keep me firm and strong. Bad mind and jealousy just get me free. So you keep me firm.
The items we will need are pre-shaped fake nails. I purchased this on Amazon for about $12. Buffing file. Nail polish, and I will be using a gel nail polish. You can use whatever nail polish you have at home. I will also be doing an accent nail, so I have a glitter gel polish. You would also need a top coat, and this is a very important step in getting that salon shine. Again, it's a gel. And you would also need your LED lamp, your cuticle pusher, very important as well, and a nipper if needs be. The best gel glue in the world. And let's start fitting our nails, guys. For the interest of time, I have already selected my nails, so we're just going to proceed to shaping, filing off that little knot at the top of the nail and roughing up the surface of the nail. I have here a swatch wheel, and I'm going to use it as a makeshift holder for the nails. Have to get crafty, have to use what we have at home. So we're just roughing up the nail surface. We're securing all the nails using a mounting putty to the wheel, and we're just going to clean off that dust with some alcohol and a piece of cotton. However, the cotton gave me a little bit of a trouble, guys, so I had to switch to a, what's that called again, a prep pad. It's basically an alcohol wipe because the cotton was leaving some particles behind. So now we're going to proceed to polishing, and I'm using a blue polish, and blue is just so calming to me, and we need calm right now. So we're going to start by covering the full length of the nail with the polish, and we're going to cap the tops of each nail as well as the sides. We want to have that nice perfect look. Don't want the nail to be showing through, so we're going to cap the sides as well as the top. I feel like I'm going to get dressed one of these days, wear my very best high heel shoes, and go throw out the garbage, because these nails have me feeling myself. They have me feeling myself. Now after we have covered all 10 nails, we are going to put this in the LED lamp to cure for 30 seconds. We're going to proceed to do the second coat. So if the first coat did not completely cover, don't worry guys. We're going to use the second coat to build up the opacity. So we're going to again cover the full length of the nail and cap the sides and the top. And we're going to cure for another 30 seconds, guys. We're coming to the very last lap. We are getting to the finishing stretch. 30 seconds, just ensuring that we kept all of the nails because we don't want the fake nail to show. That's not a cute look. That's not the look we're going for. And we're going to cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to do my accent nail, and I'm using a little blue glitter to give it that pop, you know. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to cover the length of the nail and cap the sides and the top. These coming together nicely. What you know. And we're going to cure this for another 30 seconds, and then we're going to proceed to the top coat. Now this is a very important step because it cures the colored gel in place and gives it that shine as well. So if you were not to use a top coat, you would find that the color polish would have no shine and things would easily adhere to it. It would have kind of a sticky surface. It would have a sticky surface. So we're going to cap the top again and the sides with the top coat, and we are going to cure for 60 seconds. And this is our final cure, guys. Ensure that all the nails are placed under the lamp. If you are not using gel, then this is a step that you don't need to do. You would be proceeding to your top coat and sitting them to dry. The gel top coat has a very sticky layer. To remove that, you're going to use a little alcohol. No matter waste the alcohol because we need the alcohol right now to fight a certain person, you know. So just put a little alcohol on a piece of cotton and you're going to wipe the stickiness off of the nail, and that will reveal a beautiful shine. Now we are ready to apply our set of press-ons, and yeah, just laying them out so that we don't get them mixed up. We're going to do a little bit of nail prep now, guys. And what we are going to do is to just push back your cuticles gently. We're not trying to hurt ourselves here. Just gently push back your cuticles to expose your nail, and by so doing, helping the press-on nails to last longer. You don't want to put them on your cuticles because that will cause them to lift easily. And we're also going to rough up our nails a little. Don't bother do it like how the nail tech do it until your finger burn you. You don't need to do all of that. Just rough it up a little so that the glue and the nail can adhere to your natural nail easily and stronger, with a stronger hold. So just rough up your nail bed a little so that the press-on nails can adhere to your natural nail easier or stronger. And we are going to proceed to wiping off our nails with some alcohol wipes, and this will dehydrate your nails as well as it will remove all of that dust particle from the filing that you just did. So you're going to remove all oils, all dust particles, and basically prep your nail for application. Alright, so we're going to take the world's greatest glue, in my opinion, and that is the Kiss Gel Glue. It was a bit of a challenge to open this glue, but we did it in the end. We did it in the end. What you're going to do now is you are going to apply a generous amount of gel to your nail, and you're going to spread it evenly across your nail bed. Then you are going to apply your fake nail by ensuring that it goes as close as possible to your cuticles. Then you're going to hold it firmly for about 10 seconds, and you proceed to the other fingers. You're going to repeat that step. So you're going to apply the gel nail glue to your nail bed generously, then spread it across your nail and apply the fake nail by firmly pressing down for about 10 seconds. This typically lasts me a week, sometimes more. I can honestly say I have had, if not in all cases, I've had to remove these press-on nails by myself. You might have one or two falling off. That does not happen a lot for me because I properly prep my nail, I dehydrate it, and I use this very good gel glue, so it lasts for a very long time. I can give you an update as to if any falls off. I've had them on while I'm doing this voiceover. It has been 2 days and I've not had any incidents where any of my nails fell off. So it will be durable, but it's also easier to take off as opposed to acrylic set because you don't have to soak it.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
You don't have to soak these. To remove them, all you would need to do is to put some oil, in some warm water and use something like even the Cuticle Pusher to push them off. Now, as you can see, I hydrated my nails just with some regular oil because I did not have any oil of my choice, and I'm not going to go into the store to get any oil to oil my fingers, so I used what I had. You have made it to the end of the video. You deserve a clap for that one. As you can see, I'm wearing a different outfit. Upon editing the video, I realized that I did not have an outro, so here I am 4 days later, a little curry crab later, and we are still here. All the nails are still intact. Ignore the curry stain. I had some bomb ass crab from pair 1. It was good. It was good. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, get the conversation popping in the DMs, in the comment section, you know, that's something there. Let me know what you feel, if you would try this, if it's something that you have tried before, let me know. And remember to follow me on Instagram. All the links are in the description box, guys. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Thank you. Bye.
Feels like forever.